Hello and welcome to Cloud Campaign. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create interactive, responsive, white-labeled reports your clients will love using the Reports feature. First, navigate to the workspace you want to create a report for. From your dashboard, click on the Reports option at the bottom of the navigation bar. You'll see any previously created reports at the bottom. Click New Report at the top right to start a new report. Give your report a title. I like to use the company name along with the time period I'm running the report for. Select your date range for the report. Click Toggle Advanced to open up more reporting features. Click Cover Page to add text to create a cover page on your report. If you're using paid advertising and have already integrated your advertising channels, clicking Include ROI Metrics will pull that data into your report. You can also pull in ad and web analytics as well. Select the data options that make sense for your reporting needs. After a few moments, your report will be ready. Click the gear icon to edit, copy, view, download, or delete your report. Click Share to copy the tokenized link you can share with your clients, regardless of their login or credentials. It even works on mobile. Here's what the report looks like. From here, we've got our branded cover page, and below is our data. You can click the tabs at the top to switch between data parameters. The Organic Social tab provides the progress of all of your accounts on social media. Post engagement and impressions are broken down day by day and graphed over time. Any cost metrics include counts from all social media accounts and website traffic. The Accounts Analytics tab lets you analyze each social media account at a more granular level, including follower trends and individual post performance. You can change accounts using the drop-down in the header, like this. Post Insights let you see what types of posts work best for each of your social media accounts, including the optimal time to post and the average engagement. And once again, you can change accounts using this drop-down in the header. Hashtag Analytics lets you discover which hashtags are driving impressions and engagement. Categories show you the aggregated performance of your categorized posts for the time period, along with insights to help you quickly identify top-performing posts. For all of these reporting tabs, you can sort the data by clicking on these filter options in the corner. The Paid Social tab shows the performance of a social media ad account. View key metric totals and trends for objectives, campaigns, and ads. And you can change the accounts using the drop-down in the header. The Paid Social tab shows the performance of a social media ad account. You can view key metric totals and trends for objectives, campaigns, and ads. If you have more than one advertising account connected to your workspace, you'll be able to change them in the drop-down header at the top right. The Website tab lets you understand how social media is affecting your overall website traffic from a high level. You can view total website traffic and analyze sessions directly attributed to social media. And that's all there is to creating reports in Cloud Campaign. We hope this feature saves you a ton of time compiling reports and helps you clearly communicate social media performance to your clients. Thanks for watching.